How's it, YouTube? Let's do a recap of what happened today. So yesterday I did say I was expecting lower prices from around this area. Today when I was watching price, we did get this aggressive move all the way down. But unfortunately we did not get an entry. Now if price moves this much, there is a chance that it's probably just taking all of this as liquidity just to go higher, which in this case it did. I did have somewhat of an idea that price would go higher, but I was not sure about it until this point. So when I saw this, then I knew, okay, we are gonna have high prices today, and I'll explain a bit more right now. So first thing, let me mark out the new day somewhere. Okay, so this is the market open. Okay, so after we got this aggressive run on price, we started seeing a retracement up. Now the retracement up there was nothing in this price action right here that indicated we were gonna have much higher prices. But when you look closer, we do have equal lows. We do have fairly equal lows, and we do have a fair value gap. Now I was watching this, and as soon as I saw this break in market structure, I knew, okay, it's most likely that we are gonna have higher prices. And when I saw this move right here, wrong thing. When I saw this move, can you see we have a fair value gap right at the open price, and the way that price is respecting it, I mean, it doesn't get any more precise than this. I mean, these bodies are literally at the bottom of the low end of this fair value gap and right at the top over here, so that was a pretty good reason to buy today. Unfortunately, if you did, your stop loss would have had to be in something like this. It does look like a big thing, and we would have targeted not yesterday's, but the high. A nice 6 bar for the day. That was this afternoon in the New York time zone. And let's look at the morning and what opportunities were there this morning. So far I'm not seeing anything except for this. So we have a small run of liquidity, like a very small run. We do have aggression higher, a break in structure here, and we do have a fair value gap with a low which serves as liquidity. Now if we go down to the lower time frames, I'm not too sure if there was an entry, but we can find out. And nope, there was no entry. I don't see anything here that I would have personally entered on. So yeah, I mean, you could have taken this as an aggressive entry, but otherwise I wouldn't have considered this. Besides, I don't even know what you would have targeted. but yeah, those are the today. Looks like there was only one main trade in my opinion, one very clear trade for the day. I did say I was expecting lower prices, but after I saw this move, things became a bit more clear as towards the direction. And again, we did cross over the daily open, which is a good sign. Usually when price goes through it, it's usually inducing sellers into the market. People are thinking the market's falling, we have to short the market, we have to sell, this is our opportunity, and of course that's never the case. But once I saw this consolidation and these equal lows, it was very clear that the direction for the rest of the day would be higher prices. So yeah.